The Ultimate Buyer's Guide presents the top 5 doorbell cameras in 2025. Stay tuned as we ring your bell to deliver you the pros and cons so that you can have a smarter, safer, and convenient front door. Be sure to use the links in the description below before you make a purchase so that you can get the best prices for all of the products. All right, let's jump right in. Starting strong at number 5, the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. This one's a budget hero. It's super affordable, packs a solid 1440p resolution, and you get free cloud storage for your clips. You'll love how easy it is to set up. Nothing complicated. But here's the catch. The night vision isn't the best, and the app can lag a bit. Coming in at number 4, it's the Google Nest Doorbell Battery. This one really nails smart features: facial recognition, package, and animal detection. Plus, it's wireless, so you don't have to mess with wiring. It looks sleek, works well with Google Assistant, and the app is pretty intuitive. The downside? Battery life isn't amazing, and some of the best features are locked behind a subscription. Number 3 goes to the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wired. This one's all about video quality, crisp 180-degree field of view, and it does a fantastic job with motion alerts, and it's one of the best for image and detection. The smart notifications are reliable, and it has a built-in siren for extra security. But it does need wiring, and again, Arlo wants you to subscribe for cloud recordings. Runner-up spot, at number 2, is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This is like the gold standard for many people. The video is super clear, the radar motion detection is top-notch, and you get customizable zones, which is very handy. The app is polished, and setup is a breeze. But it's pricey, and yep, there's that subscription plan again for full features. Also, Ring's privacy record has been a bit shaky in the past, so keep that in mind. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. This thing is a beast. 2 cameras, one for faces, one for packages. No subscription needed because it stores everything locally on the included home base, and the video quality is fantastic. Battery life's solid, and you get smart detection for people and packages. The only real downside? It's a bit bulky, and if you need smart home integrations, it's not as flexible as some others. But overall, it's the most complete package out there. So, which one's right for you? Depends on your budget and your smart home setup, since none on this list are Matter compatible. At least not yet. Hopefully someday soon. Another thing to consider when it comes to some of these doorbells is whether you're cool with subscriptions. But whatever you pick, you're making your home smarter and a whole lot safer. Let us know in the comments which one fits your life, or if I missed your favorite one. Your feedback helps everyone make smarter choices. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.